Hello everyone, I am Shritama Dasgupta and I recently completed the visualization internship with Ivy Professional School. So the internship comprised of 10 challenges which gave us an opportunity to enhance our skills in data visualization. Today I am excited to share with you the first challenge from this series. So for this challenge, we were provided with two tables, the retailer table and the sales table. So retailer table is actually the lookup table in this case because it has the primary key called retailer store ID. Also, it has the columns called franchise name, region, state, city, and sales method. Coming to the sales table, it is the data table in this case. Retailer ID is its foreign key. It has the columns invoice date, product category, price per unit, unit cost, and units sold. After I was done with loading the data through Power Query, I created this data model. So coming to the question is which franchise has the highest number of retails under it? What is the average sales for the franchise? Now coming to the solution part, for this I have created two measures, count of retailers and average sales. For the count of retailers, I have used the count function. It is basically going to give me the count of the retailers which are there in the retailers table. And average sales I have created using this average x function. So as the name goes, it gives us the average sales. Now for the visualization, I have created a table where I have dropped the columns franchise name, the measure count of retailers, and the measure average sales. Now I have renamed it as average sales franchise because when I am dropping this measure on the table, it is going to give me franchise wise average sales. So I have just renamed this measure for this table purpose. So next, what have I done is I have used a filter on this visual. So I have selected franchise name, filter type I have taken top in, and I have taken top one show items, and then by value I have taken count of retailers. So why have I applied this filter on the visual is because I wanted the name of only those franchise which had the highest number of retails under it. So once I had applied this filter, I got my answer. Foot Locker is the franchise name which had the highest number of retails under it, and its average sales is 12,158, almost 12,158. Thank you everyone. So that is it for the challenge one. Stay tuned for the upcoming.